Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto YouTube channel. Here is another video of bias prediction for the next week. So okay, let's start. As always from Euro, weekly time frame. Let's analyze our previous bias prediction. We can see that price achieved our main target for this week. So we can say that this bias prediction was kind of successful. Generally, we can see the price still follow short trend without any corrections, without any reverses, any impulsive moves on long. Okay, so first high time frame target has been achieved, but of course we have targets lower, so it doesn't mean that price will make a reverse. Okay, so still short, so let's find next targets. Of course, the first one is previously week low, next one high time frame target is there, and of course there is the main, but honestly it's a little bit too far for 1 week, so I think it's maybe target for 2 weeks, maybe not one. And as we can see too that we have a lot of uncovered imbalances higher, so it's always could be a possible zone for correction for the price. So first possible scenario is correction to weekly imbalance and then continuation of the short. The second one is just continuation of the short to our targets lower. Yeah, because as we can see, price still continue short without any correction. So it will be normal that price on the next week will continue short and in the same way. Okay, so weekly bias for me is short. About daily. Daily the same, clear short trend. I don't see any changes. We can see reaction from daily block. Again, the first target is previously week low. Next target, you can see liquidity pool there. And of course, this high time frame target. Possible zones for correction. Again, it's weekly imbalance, and as we can see, there is liquidity before this weekly imp. So again, first possible scenario with correction, and the second one without correction, just continuation of the short. Yeah. So we just need to see on Monday what price wants to do. Price wants to make a correction, or price wants to continue short trend to our targets lower. Okay, the next one is GBP. Again, weekly chart. First of all, you remember from previous weekly bias prediction that I expected reverse from this low, but as we can see, price completely ignored this low, so definitely now we can see clearly that it's a reverse on short. So for me, now weekly bias is short. Our first target, of course, is previously week low. The next target is there, but again, for now it's too far, so probably the target could be even for November, for example, yeah, because really it's too far for the price. But again, generally, yeah, it's a target, it's liquidity, so. But the first target again, previously week low, and yeah, previous bias prediction, I think on GBP not was successful at all, but still I had a lot of scenarios, and one of the scenario happened, so I can say it was successful. Okay, so yeah, my weekly bias is short, so short trades are more valid for me. About daily chart, we can see that price still follow short trend. Test of the imp, test of the block, update of the short trend. So for me, there is no sense to look for any reverse. So daily bias for me is short too. Again, the first target is previously week low. Possible zones for correction, we can see block there, but this block has been tested before, so there is no sense to go higher. So I think for me, could be scenario like that correction to sweep this liquidity, then reverse and continuation of the short, or the second one, just like on Euro, continuation of the short to previously week low and our targets lower. About targets on daily, we can see liquidity there. So First target previously week low, second one is there, and the next one is there. Okay, USD Canadian dollar. Again, previous bias prediction was successful. Price achieved our target as previously week high. After that, price just made a correction, small correction to collect local liquidity, and still price continue our long trend. So main target is still the same. First target is previously, weekly time frame. I forgot. Weekly time frame without changes. Again, main target. First target is previously week high. Possible zones for correction. The first imbalance. So the first scenario like that, and the second one is like that. So just continuation without any correction. And yeah, about daily, the same. We can see perfect trend, test of the block, sweep local liquidity, continuation, perfect, like perfect target, perfect context, perfect trend. Like, so for me, there is clear long. So my daily and weekly bias is long, so long trades are, for me, are more valid on USD Canadian dollar. Okay, USD GPI, the same. I expected long and get long on USD GPI, so previous bias prediction was successful too. Okay, about weekly, price completely ignored liquidity collection there, so now we have clear reverse. First target again is previously week high, the next one is there, so like a main target. So we can see the price continue global order flow. Possible zones for correction is this imbalance, but it's too far, so I don't think it's a valid zone for the price. So on weekly chart for me, just continuation of the long, yeah. Only one valid scenario. Okay, daily. Again, perfect trend, not the best move there because we can see the price left out of liquidity, but still we can see their work with blocks, so still it's a trend. Test of the imp, reaction, perfect. The first target is again is previously week high. On daily chart for me is only one valid scenario, it's collection of previously week high on Monday and continuation of the long to our target higher. On daily chart we have more targets, first one, second one, and next targets. Yeah, but of course maybe it's not for this week, maybe for 2 weeks or more. So weekly and daily bias on the USD GPI for me is long, so long trades are more valid for me. Okay, finally gold. About weekly chart. Okay, so we can see weekly imp again, like a possible zone for correction. First target, of course, is previously week high. Two possible scenarios. First one is correction to the imp and continuation. Second one is just sweep of previously week high and probably correction to the imbalance and then again continuation of the trend. But generally, clear target is previously week high. So weekly bias for me is long. About daily, perfect. We have test of daily imp, so price still follows the trend. So for me, the same as on the same as on USD GPI, just collection of previously week high on Monday, and then we just need to wait for the reaction on that. We just need to see price again wants to continue the trend or price wants to make a correction. Okay, so daily and weekly bias for me is long, so long trades are more valid for me in gold. Perfect. Bitcoin, weekly chart. Okay, so probably as we can see, price will leave imbalance, again, like a possible zone for correction, and after that continuation. A lot of targets, clear equal highs. And of course, again, the second scenario is just continuation of the trend without correction. The previous bias prediction wasn't successful at all, but because as we can see, price didn't achieve our main target, but still it's a valid target. Still, price didn't change the context, so it was kind of successful bias prediction because still price continues long trend. So weekly bias for me is long. About daily, we can see manipulation there on daily chart. After that reaction, so it was on for me from which I want to see continuation to our target. As we can see, price couldn't update the structure after manipulation and reaction. So it means that maybe price wants to go lower. So again, my scenario with correction, collection of previous week low, test of the imp, and then continuation looks more valid than just continuation of the trend without correction. Oh, sorry, it's 4 hours. My bad. Yeah, so daily bias is still long, but yeah, it's just still long without any first target on daily. Second one, of course, is previously week high. Two possible scenarios again: correction to the imp, sweep of previously week low, and continuation of the long tower targets, or again could be again, of course, continuation without a correction. Yeah, so something like that. Of course, could be too. Okay, Ethereum. About Ethereum, again, not the best chart for me to analyze, but still not successful at all. Previous bias prediction, because again price didn't achieve our target. We have again still price is on a range between two liquidity pools. Impulsive reaction after liquidity collection there. So we have liquidity on both sides. I'm not confident about long or short, really. Like, okay, if we use the rule of last sweep, so our context is short, yeah, because sweep, impulsive reaction, targets, okay. So by short, sorry, weekly bias for me is short. Let's find maybe information on daily chart. Okay, so we have after manipulation, change of the trend. After that, price tested the imbalance and update the trend. Okay, so clear short trend on daily chart. So daily bias for me is short. We can see clear targets. So daily bias for me is short. So weekly bias for me is short too on Ethereum. So short trades on Ethereum for me are more valid. But again, be careful because we know that Ethereum follows the Bitcoin. So easily price could, I know, makes a reverse without liquidity collection there. And price will just follow the Bitcoin. Okay, so it's all. Thank you for watching. I'm waiting for your comments, for your suggestions about new pairs. Wish you a great weekend, wish you a profitable week, and see you on the next Clear Recap.